guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I welcome myself back to my own channel as I have been absent for 6 weeks. Many of you all probably already know the reason, but for those who don't, I lost my father on 25th of August, and since then I'm kind of recovering from my loss. I didn't know what to do. I mean, I wasn't myself because I have lost the best person of my life. The person who I loved the most, the person who was there for me every time I needed him. I know सबके पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं and most parents अपने बच्चों को उनकी हर चीज़ों में support करते हैं. But there are only a few fathers out there who go out of their way for their daughters, and my father was one of them. We have spent a lot of time together, we have made great memories, but when I realized that I won't be able to spend any more time with my father, I won't be able to see him again, touch him, hug him, I lose myself. I start to panic and my emotions are triggered and I don't know how to control them. And of course ये सब अकेले में होता है. I don't go start panicking in front of my mother. I know she's suffering, she's recovering from her loss in her own way, and I don't want to upset her anymore because she has lost her life partner. I can't even imagine how it must feel. And to lose him at what? He was just 49 years old. He could have lived at least 10 more years. कोई disease नहीं था, कोई problem नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. Just high BP problems, which by the way was in control, and stress due to overthinking. He was an overthinker. I could not have even imagined, because every child knows that at some point in their life they are going to lose their parents, but it's gonna happen so soon, so sudden. I could not have even imagined. And the worst part is we were not with him when this happened. He was in Kanpur, we were in Lucknow. 25th की morning को उनको अचानक से chest pain start हो गया, and then he was being taken to the hospital by Sanjay Nana, our relative, and he was just on his way, and the moment he reached the hospital, वहीं पे just outside, he took his last breath. The process was quick, but it seemed as if God didn't want to give him a chance to live. And यहाँ पे that day in the morning when I woke up, I get to hear कि पापा की chest pain हो रहा है and he has been taken to the hospital. So यहाँ पे I was just waiting कि अभी phone आएगा तो पता चलेगा कि क्या हुआ. And then phone आया and I get to know that my dad is no more. So you can imagine how quickly everything happened and left us all in shock. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I don't want my channel to be all formal. I want to connect with my audience. I know अभी audience बहुत कम है, but जितनी भी है, I want to connect with them. And I want you to know about me and I want to know about you. So also, even though my dad has left this world, I still want the world to know him. I want the world to know how loving, caring, vibrant, cheerful, and incredible human being he was. I don't want his legacy to die. Of course, I'm gonna keep talking about him in my YouTube videos, but it also gave me this idea to keep a diary. जैसे photo albums होते हैं ना, for the future generations who will never get to meet my dad. उनको हम photos दिखाते हैं and we tell them कि आपको पता है ये कौन है, ये मेरे पापा हैं, ये ऐसे लगते थे. And then there are stories about that person that you share with them. So ये idea मुझे in 6 weeks के बीच में आया to keep a diary and write down the stories of my father and also my grandfather, who was my favorite, and I was very little when I lost him. So the goal is to collect stories from different people. Like अंकल, आप मेरे पापा के बहुत क्लोज थे, so क्या आप कोई स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहोगे उनके बारे में? आप मेरे ग्रैंडफादर के बहुत क्लोज थे, क्या उनकी कोई ऐसी मेमोरी है जो आप मेरे साथ शेयर करना चाहोगे? And then write it down in one single diary and give it to the next generation and tell them to pass it on. So this way the stories of your family members will remain intact and the legacy will never die. If you guys like this idea, please start filling up your own diaries. And if you guys are fortunate enough to have both your mom and dad with you, उनसे stories निकलवाते रहो यार, and अपनी diaries में लिखते रहो. What kind of diary you want to buy, how do you want to write in it, how do you want to decorate it, you can choose that for yourself. I came up with this idea, so I thought of sharing it with my YouTube subscribers. Another reason why I'm back on YouTube is because that was the last thing that I heard from my father. We lost him on 25th, and on 24th he called me around 12 p.m. And we had a nice chat talking about random things like COVID-19, what's going on in my life, my shoot, etc, etc. And that happened. Then half an hour later he called me again. His exact words were, बेटा अभी मेरे ऑफिस में थोड़ी देर पहले 5 लोग आए थे एंड मैंने उन 5 लोगों को बताया कि मेरी बेटी का एक YouTube चैनल है वीगनिज्म के ऊपर, उसे सब्सक्राइब कर देना. एंड देन उन लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया एंड ही टोल्ड मी दैट एंड ही वॉज हैप्पी, ही वॉज लाफिंग, ही वॉज लिटरली लाफिंग. एंड उसी नोट पे मैंने फ़ोन रखा, थैंक यू पापा, एंड दैट वॉज इट. उसके 5-10 मिनट बाद व्हाट्सएप पे एक टेक्स्ट आया, 470 सब्सक्राइबर्स, मतलब कि उन्होंने मेरे 470 सब्सक्राइबर्स कर दिए हैं यूट्यूब पे. I said thank you. So that was it. That is what my dad wanted me to do, and he believed in me and my purpose, so how can I let it go? One more thing that I believe in and I want to share with you all is that our parents must have a life of their own. Guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. It is so important for our parents to have a life of their own. And I'm so glad that my father had one. He used to do his work, spend time with his children, his wife, his friends. He was a travel freak, so बीच में अपनी trips मार लिया करते थे. And it's very important. बहुत necessary है to enjoy life and do what gives you happiness. But I cannot say the same for my mother, and that's what worries me. All her life she has been there for her children, her husband and other people. She has linked her happiness with our happiness, which is sweet, but that should not be the only source of her happiness. Please, अगर कोई पेरेंट ये वीडियो देख रहा है तो ये बात रियलाइज करिए, आपके बच्चों की लाइफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपके बच्चों की हैप्पीनेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट आपकी हैप्पीनेस भी उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. बच्चे आपकी लाइफ का एक हिस्सा हैं, वो आपकी लाइफ नहीं है. आप इस दुनिया में अकेले आए थे एंड आपको अकेले जाना है. आप बच्चों का ख्याल रखिए, बट जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो बहुत इजी होता है उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. बट इवेंचुअली आपका बच्चा बड़ा होता है और वो अपनी खुद की लाइफ बनाने लगता है, उसके फ्रेंड्स, उसकी ज़िंदगी. एंड कभी ना कभी एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जाके आपके बच्चे को आपसे अलग होना पड़ता है. वो आपसे अलग रहने लगेगा, मे बी पढ़ाई के वजह से या फिर जॉब के वजह से, एंड तब आप अकेले पड़ जाओगे. तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आपकी खुद की अपनी एक लाइफ हो, आपका अपना एक फ्रेंड सर्कल हो, एंड आप अपनी लाइफ को इंजॉय करना जाने, अपने बच्चों के अलावा भी, आपके बच्चों के बिना भी. एंड बच्चों से मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि गाइज, encourage your parents to have a life of their own. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड आप ही उनको encourage कर सकते हो. उनका सारा ध्यान आप पे नहीं होना चाहिए, ध्यान होना चाहिए, बट उनकी अपनी भी एक लाइफ होनी चाहिए. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डोंट लेट देम स्टॉप enjoying their lives just because of you. So that was some life update that I wanted to give you all. These past 6 weeks I have been living under a rock, and आज ही I decided to open some texts and see some posts to get an update on what's happening in the vegan world. कुछ अच्छी न्यूज़ थी, जैसे the Kanpur based biomaterial startup getting 100 crore plus funding. and कुछ बुरी न्यूज़ भी थी, like Miley Cyrus ditching her vegan diet and blaming it for her brain not being able to function properly. That's Miley for you. But I am back and I'm gonna keep posting videos for you all. Another thing that I want to tell you all is that I will not necessarily be posting my videos on Sundays. I can post it on any day, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. The username will be mentioned on the screen somewhere. I will give you all the updates on Instagram, and if you use Facebook, you can also follow me on Facebook. The links to my Instagram handle and my Facebook account will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, congratulations guys, we have crossed the 600 mark. I have 600 something subscribers on my YouTube right now. I know it's a small growth, but it feels good to know that there are 600 people who like your content and see some potential in you. It's good. And I know my dad must really be happy right now. We are 600 subscribers and we are growing. So that was the video, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to and if you can, please like, subscribe and share. Bye.